In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning party invitation using Google Docs. Whether you're hosting a birthday bash, a baby shower, or any special occasion, this simple guide will help you craft an invitation that's both personal and professional. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open a new Google Docs document. To do this, navigate to docs.google.com in your web browser. Once there, go ahead and create a new blank document. This will be the canvas for your invitation, so take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're new to Google Docs. Next, let's set up the page size and orientation for your document. You'll want your invitation to have the right proportions. Click on File in the top menu, then select Page Setup. Here, you can choose your preferred size, like the standard letter size of 8.5 by 11 inches, and select your orientation, either portrait or landscape, depending on how you envision your invitation. Once you've made your selections, click OK to apply them. Now, while this next step is completely optional, adding a border can give your invitation a polished look. If you choose to add one, click on Insert, then Drawing, and select Plus New. Use the Shape tool to draw a rectangle that will serve as your border. Feel free to customize the color and thickness of this border to match your theme. When you're done, click Save and Close to bring it into your document. You can resize it to fit your page as you see fit. With your page set and optional border in place, it's time to add the heart of your invitation, the text. Click anywhere in the document to start typing your party details. Make sure to include the event name, the date and time, the location, and RSVP information. Don't forget to add any fun details or themes to personalize it further. Have fun with different fonts and colors, but keep readability in mind. You want your guests to easily catch all the important details without any hassle. To make your invitation even more lively, consider inserting images or clip art. This is great for adding a touch of flair with visuals like balloons, confetti, or themed icons. Click on Insert, then select Image. You can upload photos from your computer or search platforms like Canva or Google for suitable graphics. Once you have your visuals, resize and position them to complement your text and design. Finally, if you think you'll use this layout again, save it as a template. This way, you can simply make a copy each time you need to send out invitations by selecting File and then Make a Copy. Whether you choose to share your invitations digitally or print them out, you now have a beautiful, reusable template at your fingertips. And there you have it, a customized invitation ready to bring your invitees together for a memorable event.